Hey everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to share a birthday card I made for my husband. Um, his birthday is tomorrow and I had to make him a quick card. And so I wanted to come on and share. So um, I used this stamp set from Unity, and it is a really cute stamp set, and I love this old little couple. And and my husband and I, we're not old, but I mean, we're getting there. I have to say, we're getting there. And I just love how this couple, I think I have another set of the woman by herself, and I have to do a card with that one as well. But it says, and together they built a little, oh my God, they built a life they love. That's one sentiment. And then the other one is, I can't wait to grow old and wrinkly with you. And this one says, I love you, you old fart. And you will always be my favorite. So I just wanted to share that. So I created this is a 5x5 card. I colored the image with my Copics, and I backed it with some black cardstock. This paper is from Hobby Lobby, and oh, what is it called? Do I have the set here? No. I think it's called Noteworthy. And I backed that with black cardstock. It's on a 110 cardstock from Michaels. I added some metal brads because masculine cards, I stink at them, but I try my best to make them masculine and not so frilly, because it's for a guy. I added the I love you, you old fart. Backed it with cardstock, and I popped it up on dimensionals. So I really like how this card turned out, and then inside you just saw that I just added more of that paper, and I'm going to write my sentiment here. And on the back I just stamped handmade with love. So that is my birthday card for my husband, and I love making 5x5 cards because they're just really fun to create, and I don't have to mail it. Which I do love, because you do have to pay extra when you mail 5x5 cards. They're not your normal 4.5 by 4.25 by 5.5 card, so you do have to pay extra. So a lot of times if I do a 5x5 card, I usually put them in a package. So if I'm sending something to someone, it's a lot easier. So, and this one I don't have to mail. So I always make 5x5 cards for my husband and my kids and stuff like that. So yeah, so that is my creation for today. I am working on Halloween tag. I'm doing some dares, and what else? Oh, I have to do my ATCs for next Monday. So come and check us out on Monday at 10 o'clock, just to promote. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week and weekend if I'm not back by then. So take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.